In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can invert the color of a photo in Canva. Now, it's really surprising that Canva doesn't actually have a native color inverting feature. This is something that should exist on pretty much any photo editing app, but somehow Canva doesn't have it. And what's crazy is that I don't find any apps or third-party apps in Canva that allows you to do so. So maybe this is a very niche thing to do, and that's why there aren't many options to invert the color of a picture. So right now, the only way to invert the color in Canva is by not using Canva. You can use any third-party web application or software in your computer to invert the color. For example, if you actually using Windows, you know that there is a first-party tool called Paint, and this tool allows you to invert the color, and we are going to use that to invert the color from this Canva design, and then I'm going to put this picture back into Canva. So first I'm going to download this picture. Let's click share, click download, and I'm going to be selecting the format to be PNG, and I'm going to be enabling transparent background. Let's click download and just wait. Okay, so there is this error because this is just a one premium image, and apparently Canva doesn't allow you to have one premium content to be downloaded, and I think I do understand why they are preventing you from doing that, but there is a workaround. So I'm going to duplicate this picture and I'm going to set this to fully transparent, so it basically doesn't exist, and I'm going to try downloading the picture again. This usually will solve the problem, and yeah, it's kind of annoying that Canva has that restriction, but I get that. Anyway, now the file has been downloaded. I'm going to open this file with Canva. Open the file with Paint in Microsoft Windows. So this is the picture, and I'm going to click this select tool, right click on anywhere, and then click invert color. And after that, you can click file and then click save. The file has been saved, and then I'm going to, first I'm going to remove this transparent picture first, and I'm going to put this picture back to Canva. Now we got this inverted version, and I'm going to put this aside first. Now the picture is still uploading. You see this is the icon representing that the picture is still in progress to be uploaded in Canva, so we cannot really do anything at the moment, and we just need to wait until it finishes. Okay, it's almost there, and yeah, it's taking longer. Okay, that's pretty good. Now I need to remove this black area. We don't need that. I'm going to click remove background, and hopefully it only remove this black section, although I'm not so sure about it because it actually removed everything, so that's probably not the best method to remove the dark area. So I guess I have to do it manually by using this tool and this. Okay, now we have two pictures, and one is normal, the other is inverted. So yeah, that's basically how you can do it. It's certainly not the easiest way to do, but given the limitation, I think it's okay to have the only feature like this, the only inverting feature available by using the third-party tool like Microsoft Paint or other photo editing tool. So anyway, that's how you can invert the color in Canva.